Hi everyone, welcome back with Explore and Evolve channel. So today we will talk about AI. Do you know AI? Yes. This technology is helping everyone solving problem efficiency. In the previous video we have talked about AI, so today we will talking about it more detail and explain one by one in every single business. So let's start with the topic. AI is important because it enhances efficiency, innovation, and decision-making across various industries. Here are some key reasons why AI is crucial. 1. Automation and efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing human effort and increasing productivity. Businesses use AI for customer service, chatbots, data entry, and logistics. 2. Data processing and decision-making. AI analyzes vast amounts of data quickly, identifying trends and making data-driven decisions. Helps in fields like finance, healthcare, and marketing. 3. Medical advancements. AI aids in early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and robotic surgeries. Used in drug discovery and medical imaging analysis. 4. Enhancing creativity and innovation. AI assists in content creation, music composition, art generation, and design. Tools like Chat GPT help with writing, brainstorming, and coding. 5. Improving daily life. AI powers virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, recommendation systems, Netflix, YouTube, and smart home devices. Self-driving cars and AI-powered navigation improve transportation. 6. Scientific and environmental benefits. AI helps in climate change predictions, energy optimization, and wildlife conservation. Used in space exploration by NASA and other agencies. AI is shaping the future by transforming industries, solving complex problems, and making life more convenient. Do you have a specific area where you're interested in AI? Please comment below.